Alright, here's the liners, and I'm going to show you how I do all the file work just on this set of liners here. We're going to speed it up so you can see it, and then I'll do the rest the same. But here I'm going to go ahead and mark out my lines for the end. Those little serrations I like to put on the ends. Then we'll just take a file and start at it. Okay, I've finally finished etching the Damascus fittings and salt bluing everything, so we'll have the background is more black. I blackened everything and then hit the high spots off. Got the file work done here, here, there, right back here. All the file work's done. Got all the ivory all buffed up, how it goes. Now, I'm ready to take the handle off, and I'll clean all the parts off with acetone, and then we'll epoxy it all together with West System epoxies. I'm going to use this pommel nut. I'll put a little Vaseline on here to keep it from sticking, but I'll use this pommel nut to hold everything together because I can torque it really tight, because this is just an icky old scrap pommel nut, and that way I don't have to worry about getting scratches in it. And after the glue dries, I'll take it off and I'll put my really nice Damascus pommel nut on it that I have yet to make. So it feels really good in the hand, and I love how it came out. It's just, I love it. Alright, here's a close-up of some of the pieces. See the file work and the Damascus. All of our file work through here. Trying to get it so you can see that Damascus on the ends there. It's coming out real good. Alright, I've epoxied together the handle, and I took off the mock-up pommel nut I had holding it on while the epoxy was drying. And now I'm going to make my nice pommel nut out of Damascus. This is just a little chunk of Damascus off the end of one of my twisted W-layer billets that I used for the fittings. And I've rounded the corners off, and now I'm going to cut off a little chunk, about a ½ inch long, and I'll drill it and tap it, and then we'll turn it down on the lathe. Alright, here's a little chunk I've got cut off for the pommel nut. I've got the proper size drill bit here. We're going to drill it, and I've got my drill bit marked to make sure I don't go too far, but just far enough. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how I lathe down a pommel nut. Alright, knife's finished, and I'm going to show you guys how I sharpen it. This is a Norton combination bench stone. And I've got it on the coarse side here. I'm going to give it a few strokes and I'll flip it over to the fine side. I'm holding it at approximately a 22-degree angle. I'll do that for a while until I get the edge started how I want it, and then I'll flip it over to this side and we'll do it some more. Alright, now I'm going to do it on the finer side. And I'll do that for a while, and then it'll go to the stroping rod. Alright, I'm going to strope it on the rod a few times just to get the edge how I want it, and that'll align all the burrs. Make it so it'll be razor sharp. Alright, I've got the blade sharpened, and now we'll give it the shaving hair test off my leg. I'd say that's sharp. Alright, here's a finished overview of the knife. I have a total of 107 hours in it. It came out great. I mean, I love the way it came out. 51 pieces in it altogether. 31 of those pieces are handle slabs, frame pieces, and everything. The rest are the internal pins. And it's great. If you guys want to see this, it will be at the 2009 Blade Show, table 22R. So come on by and pick her up. And I'll also have a sheath there for it too, so you can see a sheath. Alright, well, that's the end of our progression videos. Hope you enjoyed everything, and have a great day.